Are you experiencing trouble with your roof and are in need of roof repair? Or perhaps you've decided it's time for an entirely new roof. If you have been searching for roof restoration in Syracuse, New York, you are in the right place. We are the premier roofing company in the Syracuse, New York area. We would love to help you with your roofing issue. You need someone that's gonna service your roof professionally and get the job done right the first time. We'll sit down with you to determine the best repair and installation options. We are confident that with our level of skill and expertise, we will provide you with the service that you will just love. Don't risk further damage to your property. Contact us today. We look forward to hearing from you.